Reprezentante WHO iha Timor Leste, Arvind Mathur, Hatete. Tempu Badak, Timor Leste se Hetan Sertikadu, Livre Husi Moras, Malaria.
Informação ne representante WHO iha Timor Leste, Arvind Mathur, hatoba jornalista, benghira ramata halo encontro ho presidente República Zera Muzorta iha Palácio Presidencial Nicolau Lobato Bairupite Quintane. Arvind dehan, Timor Leste precisa preencher requisitos balong nebe makiha nune Tempu Badak belhetan sertifikadu konaba Livre Husi Moras Malaria. Nyamos dehantan, benghira equipa peritus global haruka misang mai, buat hotulos, preencher requisitos, Timor Leste belhetan ona elimine saung ba malaria. Mebekari kiha fulang nen tuir maitan.
We are very close to the situation of receiving the certification for malaria, but Mana, this is a global process. There are conditions, there are steps which needs to be assured by any country which goes through the malaria elimination certification process. So right now I can say that with the health ministry, which is putting up all actions, that will be reviewed by the malaria elimination technical advisory group at the global level, and then a final mission will be sent to Timor-Leste. We do hope that in the next few months itself, maybe 6 months, that it should be completed and Timor-Leste desirably should receive the necessary certification.
Conferência ba mudança climática ne beato halau iha Timor Leste, ne objetivo claro, onsa sira bela reduz CO2 nomos onsa makhalo sistema Saudi resiliente ba mudança climática rasik. Emerenciana Pinto, STL News.